Instructions for week 3. Okay, if you enter our course classroom, go to coursework and then scroll down to week 3. Okay, week 3, we are reading chapter 3. Now we're getting in a flow kind of by this point in the term. Read chapter 3 and be sure to watch the chapter talks and take the quiz. Because chapter 3 is more comprehensive, there is 2 chapter talks. I repeat, 2 chapter talks linked in the assignment, and then the corresponding quiz covering all of chapter 3. Additionally, you have your chapter 3 Applia assignment, your spelling quiz over list 3, and then for application this week, we are going to have a forum discussion. We're actually going to rewrite a letter. Okay, so let me open up the forum. You'll see instructions here, week 3 discussion, rewrite letter. I have linked the body fitness letter here. You also can find this letter on page 85 of the textbook. I want you to identify 3 areas of improvement or weaknesses that stand out to you within the letter. This can be anything we covered out of chapter 3. You're going to rewrite the letter in its entirety, applying the recommended revisions. So basically, you're going to fix or overcome those weaknesses you identified. So here's the expectation, your post. Create a short bulleted list of the 3 areas of improvement. I pasted an example in here. It can just simply be a list. And then insert your letter rewrite below. Now, I would recommend doing the work in a Word doc and then copying into the forum to prevent losing your work. Okay, so you're going to identify the top 3 weaknesses. Then you're going to fix that letter, applying the strategies of the chapter. In terms of replies, you will have 2 of them. Reply with 1 classmate in agreement, saying, yes, I felt that was most critical myself. And then indicate any differences between your revisions when you compare the 2. Secondly, 1 reply disagreeing, okay? Share what weakness you identified as key and how that's different. Why is your identified weaknesses more valuable to the integrity of the letter? Now, one thing to note in terms of the discussion this week, the post is due Thursday night at 11:55, and the 2 replies will be due Sunday night, standard time, 11:55 p.m. Again, this is a post-first forum, so you will not be able to see your classmates' letter rewrites until you post, and that initial post is due Thursday at 11:55 p.m. with both replies due regular time, Sunday night at 11:55. Okay, so that is what is on tap for this week. You will find all of the assignments with written instructions in coursework, week 3, chapter 3. Thank you.